Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What I'm trying to say is good afternoon, actually. It's afternoon, but it's feeling like morning. The sun is shining, sun is setting. Now, why are we here today? YouTube 101, paddling 101, okay? Now, this is kayak 101. In Bisaya, bugsay, bugsay, kiling-kiling jutay, bugsay, bugsay. Now, lesson number 1, back paddling. Now, you paddle your left, you turn to the right. You back paddle to the right, you turn to the left, okay? Now, if you back paddle together, you go forward. See? Now, again, how about forward paddle? Forward paddle to the right, you turn
Basa
to the
na
right.
yun na.
It's a different story. Now, forward paddle to the left, you turn to the left. See? Oh! Come on, dito forward paddle.
Fishing, man, fishing.
Save ako doon sa yellow na ano eh. Ako. Pero gusto ko rin yung yellow na.
You see? What I'm trying to
Okay lang yan. Marunong ka malungan.
tell you the story all about
Doon tayo, dun.
is that life is like a paddle, okay? Sometimes you go backward, sometimes you go forward. Bottom line, you enjoy. So what are you going to do? I'm about to bangga with that boat. I get to left paddle, okay? Left paddle, left turn. Okay. Now,
No, left paddle.
I want to go to the girls. I need to find some. Oh, I want to go with that duck. How are we going to do? We will try to remember our lesson. So we will left paddle.
Okay, follow the duck. Follow.
Follow the duck. Come on.
See you there.
Actually, the paddling is based on the ducking.
Kawawa yung pato na yun.
Man, the duck is going away, man.
Follow the duck. Follow the duck. Wow, get the duck. Wow. Now host your daddy now. Host your daddy now.
Okay, almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there, man. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, closing.
Okay, guys. Life is like a duck, and sometimes life is like a paddle. Okay? You paddle yourself all the way to the duck. Goodbye.
Cut.
Cut.